Preparing yourself for a successful job interview is a must. There is one more thing that you must prepare for, is to ask questions to the interviewer. As your interview draws to an end, the interviewer can invite you to ask some questions. This may seem easy, but it is not. Let us see how to plan for this segment. What happens if you don't ask questions? You could appear to be uninterested or even lazy because you've not taken the effort to find out about the company. The questions you ask can also tell the listener a lot about yourself. Asking questions tells the interviewer about your passion in your field. It shows that you have a lot of grip on your core skills and that you're keen on developing them further. Be updated about the industry. Asking questions about the company shows that you're keen on joining them. When you ask questions about the roles available, the growth prospects, etc., the interviewer knows that you have certain aspirations and that you're keen on achieving them. By asking a couple of questions at the end of the interview, you can actually make a good impression on the interviewer. The broad topics of your questions will be around the domain, the industry, the company, and your career growth. Ask specific questions. This is important because these questions will help you to decide if you want to join the company at all. You do not want to land up in a job and then find out that it's not what you were promised. The phase of asking questions could also be the make or break point of your interview. Hence, you need to take care of what not to ask. If your questions revolve around what benefits the company offers, it could pose a big risk. Don't ask irrelevant questions which neither fall in your domain or of the company. Salary expectations are usually discussed only when you get a confirmation of selection. It is initiated by the hiring person and not by the candidate. Don't be impatient. Don't ask the interviewer if you are selected. They themselves will tell you about what happens next. You'll appear uninterested and in a haste to exit the interview. It reflects very badly on your attitude and communication skills. So make efforts to find out about the company and come up with 2 or 3 questions. The single key to ace asking questions is to research. The more you know about the company and your domain, the better will be your quality of questions. Start preparing your questions early so that you're not nervous when asking them. Practice, patience, and perseverance will lead to success. All the best.